Once you have your Google site created, it's time to start editing and customizing it. The very first thing you're going to want to do is name your site. And we're going to do that up here where it says Untitled Site. You just click on it like you would with a document or a slideshow or a spreadsheet and give it a name. It's always helpful to give it a name that kind of explains what it is. So I'm going to call this one My Sample Site because I'm using this as an example to show you how to do it. When you click off of that, you'll see that that title also appears up here at the top. And then where it says your page title, this is going to be the name that shows up in large type on the front of your page. It could be the same as your name up here, or it could be different. When you're working on it, you have a couple of simple options up here for formatting. Most of the time I end up just typing it as it is and leaving it alone. Once you have your site name and your title on the front, you have some other customization options. First of all, I like to change the background here of my banner. If I hover over it, I'm going to see this little box come up with two options: change image and header type. The header type just lets you choose what type you want for the front. You could make the whole thing a picture. You could do a large banner, a regular banner, or title only. And when you click on each of these, it will change and show you what it would look like. I'm going to stick with just the regular banner and click my little arrow here to go back to this menu. And I want to change the image because this gray background is kind of boring. So I'm going to change image, and I have two choices here. If I have an image already saved on my computer, I can upload it, or I can choose select image. If I choose select image, I have several choices. Google starts by giving me a gallery of different banners that I could use. I can also find images in my Google Drive. I can go to shared with me and see if anybody shared images with me that I might want to use. And I can also, if I use my back arrow here, use the search tool. Now the search tool works like Google image search with a couple differences. Unlike regular Google image search, you won't get as many results when you look for something here because this is looking for images that are copyright friendly, that you are allowed to use without asking permission and without having to give credit. So you may not find exactly what you're looking for here, but what you do find will be legal for you to use without having to ask or give credit. So I'm going to look for cats. I think I like this one, so I'm going to click on it and click select. And it's now changed my banner. If I don't like it, I can come back here, change it again, and find one that I'm happy with. So that's the basics of how to set up your main page. In our next video, we'll take a look at how to add things to our Google site and make other changes to it.